Okay guys, here we are in AJ Hotel in Gran Alacant, and this time we've gone for a suite. So we'll have a look and see what it's like in here. We are in room 203. Okay, so we've actually asked for the extra bed to be made up. We've got a little daughter with us as well. So I think that's a bit of a big one there. This certainly is a fair size room. You have the main bed there, obviously a couple of vanity units and sinks. Looking through, we have plenty of storage. Up above, drawers, plenty of hangers, and we have the obligatory safe down there. So coming back around this way, it's a nice outside terrace. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Decent sized TV. And a nice dining table. So let's head around. Big barking dogs outside. Hope they're quiet in a minute. And yes, the nice big bed with some nice. We had that and last time. There's some nice sleeping potion you can put on your pillows. And we go around into the bathroom. Not exactly sure what that is, to be honest. A men's toilet. That's that's a first for me. Well, I think I'll be right here. I have never seen anything like that before in a hotel. Okay, maybe it's a Spanish tradition, but I've never seen that, so that'll come in quite handy for me. And obviously one over there for the wife. Decent sized shower. I do like these double showers with the main head and the spray one, and some decent looking shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. And I actually thought that was it, because we booked this room, say for the mother-in-law, so I thought, well, the little daughter would sleep there, the mother-in-law was staying for one night, so she would basically have that bed. I thought there was a dividing wall, to be fair, but I thought that's not too bad, we can cope with that for one night. And then as I was wandering around just now, I happened upon this door here, which I opened. And I found, whoa, microwave, some storage. We've got massive fridge freezer with some complimentary waters and even a freezer. And then over here we have a hob, a sink, an oven. Oh, what we've got here? Some cupboards and even a dishwasher, extracting fan, and even a nice selection of teas and coffees for the coffee maker, as well as an additional bedroom, TV, wardrobe, telephone, nice single room here, and another ensuite bathroom. Again with shower, pretty much the same as the last one. Well, they don't get any conditioner in this one, so my hair will be beautiful. We've got something there, some more soap and traditional toilet there. Air conditioning. So I must say, I am really impressed with this. I'll give you the price later. Can't remember exactly what it is now, but I'll let you know. So we'll quick look out on the terrace a second, and then we'll wrap up this video. Okay, so we haven't got the front view of the fields here. We've got the street, looking out on Gran Alacant Commercial Centre. We've got the Mercadona shopping arena there. And a very nice sized terrace. I just hope they're going to go for a nice walk and be quiet later. So there we have it. That is AJ in Gran Alacant, the suite option. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up or a like, and leave a comment down below what you thought of this hotel. We've also got a review on the single room down below as well, and a lot more coming up. See you on the next one. See you later. Bye.